let's focus on the insurance space, and it's turning out to be an all-out tussle between the Finance Ministry and the insurance regulator, that's the IRDA. Peeved at the government's decision to hike LIC's investment limit in a listed company from 10% to 25%, the IRDA has now asked the Finance Ministry to move the country's largest insurer out of its regulatory ambit, saying it does not want to regulate LIC anymore. Let's take it across to Vijay Iyer, who has the details of that story. Vijay.
Absolutely, George. What we are gaining from our sources is that IRDA, which was furious when Finance Ministry went ahead and said that LIC's investment cap in equity listed companies would increase to 25%, but IRDA was not happy, and IRDA is clearly telling the Finance Ministry, because Finance Ministry had sought an explanation on why LIC's investment cap cannot be increased, but IRDA is very clear that even if the Finance Ministry wants to go ahead, they are free to do that, but provided that Finance Ministry will have to come out with a solution where LIC would be governed, or how they would want LIC to be governed, because IRDA says they would not be comfortable governing LIC in the given circumstances if the cap is raised to 25%, because IRDA Insurance Act clearly says insurance companies cannot invest more than 10%. In that case, how would LIC be treated differently vis-a-vis other life insurance companies? Because at the end of the day, Insurance Act will remain same for everyone. So if government wants to go ahead, then there are a couple of solutions. One, they'll have to amend the Insurance Act so that the overall investment cap can be increased, and therefore the sector, any company can adhere to that. Secondly, Finance Ministry, IRDA says we'll have to come out with a solution, because IRDA doesn't want to take any responsibility of a decision taken by the Finance Ministry if tomorrow something goes wrong on the investment aspect. So it's a very interesting situation on how things are going to pan out, because we need to understand that the final notification of this 25% investment cap for LIC is yet to be made public. So in that sense, the discussions are still on, but IRDA indeed has taken a tough stance, and all this is happening when IRDA chairman's tenure is just going to come to an end in a couple of weeks' time on February 21st.